today in this session of social we are going to start with a new chapter, that is market. Now market is a very familiar word. Yes or no?
Yes.
We all visit market.
Yes.
To buy pen, to buy pencil, to buy book, to buy any other clothes or whatever we want to buy a food items, whatever. We go to the market.
Yes.
Okay. As a consumer, right? As a consumer, how we can pay give the goods? How we can get the goods? By paying money. By paying money, we can easily get the goods. But for that, where we have to go? We have to go to the market, right? Right. But nowadays, online marketing is also there. Yes. By sitting at your home, you can get the things. Yes or no? Yes. Like Amazon, then Swiggy, food items if you want. Right? Very good. Okay. Stop. So these are some online marketing as well, right? But for now we will learn about what is market. Now can you tell me what is market? Yes?
In market we go for shopping all the things like clothes, food items,
Okay.
makeup.
Okay, fine. Then you, Heli?
If you want to buy something, then we have to pay that. Then only we can get that.
Okay, then?
Market is a place from where we can shop goods.
Very good. In short, market is a place where you can get the things. You can get the commodities. Commodities means what? Goods. Right? So of course from market only you will get. So market is a place from where you can get the things. You can sell the product and you can purchase the product. Selling and purchasing both can goes on, right?
Yes.
So that is called market. Now types of market. There are 4 types of market that you have seen in your daily basis, that you have observed around you. Right? One is street market, that is near your house.
Yes.
Street market, right? One is Gujri, that is weekly market.
Yes.
Every Saturday
Yes,
or
yes,
every
yes.
Sunday,
Yes.
right? Yes. So that is what Gujri market. One is shopping malls. You all know malls. You all might have visited malls,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
And one is control market, that you might not have been seen, but I'll explain you what is control market, right? First we will start with street market. Now street market, it means a market that is near your house, right? In that you can get the fruits, you can get the vegetables, you can get the medicines, you can get many other things. Normal day-to-day life, whatever things we require, we get from the street market. Near your surrounding, right? That is street market. Now, for what purpose street market is useful? Can anyone tell me? Yes?
For pen, for pencil,
For basic requirements. In short, we will not write pen, pencil, right? For basic requirements, street market is must. If you are ill, if you are sick, right? If there is no medical shop near your house, what you will do? It will be difficult for you,
Yes.
right? So that is why street market is very important, right? Why it is important to get the things near you, easily to get the commodities near you. Yes, Eric, you want to say something?
No, ma'am. That's
Okay, fine, sit. So can anyone other tell me other benefits?
of
Street market? Yes?
The benefit is that we can buy goods near our house from near
We can
our
get,
house.
we can get things from our surrounding, near our surrounding. Yes, Sarthak?
We can't have to go for very long for buying some.
One more thing, purchase can be done anytime, any day.
Yes.
If you want to go home, after going home, if you feel that I am hungry, I want to buy wafer, you can go to the market.
Yes.
You can purchase anytime, but there is particular time. At night the shops are closed.
Yes.
At night, but some shops are also open at night, like 24 hours, like medical shop. Some medical shops, right? So that is what street market. You can easily purchase at any time, at any day, whenever you want, right? Then one more thing is that this shopkeeper sell and also lend the goods in their regular customers. Now of course we go to the particular shop we become a regular customer of that shop, of that particular area. If you are living in this area, if there is surrounding to you, there is, if one shop is there, you will become a regular customer of that. Yes. So there will be you will maintain the relation, means there will be good relation between the buyer and the seller. Yes. So that is also the benefit of street market. Sometimes it happens that if we don't have the money, we used to tell them to write in the register. That shows what? That shows the good relation between the buyer and the seller. We are the buyer. We are the customers. We are the consumers. Yes or no? Right? We are the customers. We are the consumers. That's why we can say consumer in the market. Right? Consumer in the market. We are the consumer. We have certain rights and duties. That also we are going to learn in this chapter. Right? So street market is easy. Now next is Gujri market. Now Gujri market, it means weekly market. Sometimes every Saturday there will be market. Every Sunday there will be market. Sunday market. Have you ever heard about it? Sunday market. In that also some basic things, dresses or other items, right? Other items can easily get in Gujri market. Now, what beta?
Teacher, Gujri market is of the like weekly, then Sunday, Monday.
Sunday, any day, any week, right? Especially it is on the weekends, right? Weekends like Saturday or Sunday. Now, benefits of such market. Can anyone tell me what is the benefits of such market? Yes?
Ma'am, when we have to buy clothes in lower range, we can go for bigger market, and because we can get
different varieties then. Yes or no? Some other variety there, right? Yes, we get the product in discount in low price, right? Then tell me, you want to give me the answer. If it is not there in textbook, it's okay. You find your own answer. What are the benefits?
Teacher,
Get the discount then.
Teacher, we will get in in our budget of that.
That is that only, beta. If you yes.
Wholesale and we can buy wholesale price.
Yes, you can
Teacher,
get the
we
things
can
in
get
wholesale
the
rates as well, right? Because their margin, their profit margin is not too high. They don't want to earn more money like malls. Shopping malls, the people who is owning shop in shopping malls, their profit level should be high. Then only they can own the shop, right? But here this market, they used to sit on the street and they used to sell the things. No problem. Right? So profit margin is not too high. Yes.
So they were selling if the cloth was some damage, like the piece is some mistake, they will go sell them to the Gujri market and they will sell.
Yes, very good. Even branded things are sold in Gujri market. With low price.
is the type of
Wholesale.
Yes. Okay, so wholesale. Listen. So daily market, not daily market. This is street or daily market, right? Gujris are weekly market in short. So you should know that what is the difference between street market and Gujri market. It is clear?
Yes.
Gujri is a weekly market, right? Now we will come to shopping malls. Shopping malls. We all love to visit shopping malls. Right? Why? Because the shops are colorful. The shops are attractive. Right? AC, that is basic things. Right? But then also we love to enter. Why? Because we feel that it's branded. We feel it's branded. Yes or no? Right?
Window shopping only.
Yes.
So they sell in wholesale only. And we are going on elemental and we go.
So you love to enjoy in the malls, right? Right? Attractive things are there. Attractive things are there in the market.
Yes.
In the shopping mall. Yes or no? Right. Now,
to go for the window shopping.
and from one mall, you can get everything.
Yes.
Right? Many
Like
times
groceries
from one mall you can get everything.
Yes.
Right? So, here the market, the price will be high compared to these two markets. Right? Why? Because here the profit is more. The people want to earn more profit because they are owning their own shop. If you are having your own shop, Okay, of course there will be what maintenance of the shop. You have to maintain the shop, you have to pay to the person who is working for you, and many other things, right? So that is why the margin is very high in shopping malls. But then also some people used to purchase the things from mall only. We people don't believe that street market will be good or Gujari market will be good. Branded clothes are only good. Some people believes, right? So that is your choice of market. You love shopping malls, so that is your choice of market. Doesn't matter. Listen. So there are different consumers, we can say, right? There are different types of consumers. Some may like to buy the things from street market. Some may like from Gujari market, and some may like to buy things from shopping malls, right? So this is the choice of a consumer, a choice of a customer, right? Now we will come to the next market, that is control market. You might not have heard about it. This control market are very much beneficial for the farmers, right? Now farmers, right? Now farmers used to, they don't get enough of price of the product that they are growing, right? What they used to do, they used to sell it to someone. That person will sell it to the shop, and shopkeeper will sell us in the high price. But they have purchased in very low price with the farmers, right? For example, if the rupees of rice is 10 rupees, okay, farmer has given him 10 rupees. Just example, okay? Farmer has given him 10 rupees. The wholesaler and the shopkeeper
Sell in 100 or 200 rupees.
yes,
Okay.
we will take 45 rupees. Just example. Can you see the margin? Margin. Now here there is a loss to the farmer. This market is beneficial for farmer. Why? Because in this market the auction took place. Auction means, for example, if you people are standing in front of me, I am selling the rice, right? Rice. The person who is giving more money to me, I will take care. I will be ready to wait just a minute. Sit down. So what I will do, I will select the person whose price is more. So it is beneficial. We are going to start with the interesting market, that is online market. Nowadays it's a trend. We all love online marketing. If we don't love, then also we used to see the any clothes, new wear is there, new outfit. If any new outfit is there for me or not. If any discount is there in pizza or burger or something like that, we used to see, right? So that is online marketing, that is going on very, like we can say, it is in demand nowadays, right? And even the advertisement of that is coming on televisions, or that you can see, right? So online marketing, right, depends on advertisement. If the advertisement of online market is good, then that online market can work properly, and depends on the application, how the application is working, right? It is a kind of application. If I say Amazon is an application, right? It's a kind, you have to develop it. They have developed it, they might have developed it, right? So that is a kind of application, and it is very easy to work. Why? Okay, now for this you can easily tell me the benefits. Online marketing benefits, fast.
We get discount.
Okay, we can get discount one by one. Raise your hand. Okay, I will say the name. We will start from Dhwani. Start.
If we have VIP membership, we have to not give delivery
Charges. Okay, if we have VIP charges, then we are not supposed to pay the delivery charges that they used to take. So it's kind of discount. Okay, next.
While sitting home, we can get the
Very good. By sitting at home, by sitting at our comfort level, we can get the product in our hand. And if we don't like it, we can exchange it or we can return it. Yes, Annie?
We can get this products in discount.
discounts.
That is done, na? Discount rates.
Teacher, when we take weekly or monthly membership, we can see free movies
Oh.
and songs.
Okay.
Like
Okay.
Amazon.
So you can even see movies from that if you have weekly membership. Yes.
So we can go cashback in.
Cashback, very good. We can also get the cashback of 10 rupees or 50 rupees. This cashback is to attract the customers or to attract the consumers. Okay, okay, say beta.
We get many things in many varieties and many
Yes,
varieties.
we can get many varieties. For example, if I want to buy any outfit for me, I'll get new number of varieties. I will be confused whether to select this or whether to select this. Yes, especially girls.
We have little premium things.
Yes, you can get branded things as well. Yes, we.
Sir, वो अगर
No, you have to speak in English, beta. So, yes, Tanishka.
teacher, we can select that we have to give money now or
Yes, very good. We can select the mode of payment. Right? We can select whether we have to pay with the help of Google Pay or whether we have to cash on delivery. Depends. Credit card, debit card, many options we can take. And we can,
come at home.
yes, from the small appliance to big appliance, or from the small product to big product, we can get things at our comfort zone, at our house, by sitting or by booking online things. Yes.
There are many advantages of online shopping, but there are some disadvantages.
Yes, there are some disadvantages as well, Sarthak.
Like
Okay? Yes.
like we can't get that fixed product.
Yes, sometimes it's like this point will be very beneficial for consumer in the market. How we should be aware, how as a consumer what rights, what are our rights, what are our duties. For that, this point is very necessary. That sometimes whatever they have shown in the figure, right, it's not exact the same that we get.
Yes.
It's different,
In first tutorial,
right? So, Sarthak, yes.
They will give us hundreds of blend, and we have to select one blend that they were saving only that blend.
Okay. So, okay, now sit everyone. So this is what online marketing. Clear? Now we will start with the new topic, that is around the market. Now around the market we get different things, right? We get different things like what? Tell me.
eating food.
Food items, not only food items but other basic things, right? So our surrounding is all means about market. Our neighborhood is having market. Yes or no? Right? So that is around market. Now equality in market is very difficult. Why? Because our market is not equal. Why? Because shopping malls, we are paying more money. Right? So the mall customers, right, are getting what we can say that yes, right? Now street market. Right? Is there equality between street market and shopping mall? No. So there is no equality in the market. That we are going to it's our duty to select the market according to our choice. But what is the problem? Our wants never ends. It goes on. Our needs never end. It goes on. If you have seen some compass box of your friend, you want that. I want this type of compass box. I want this. You will just tell your father or mother to give that or to buy that. Right? So this is what our wants. We are not satisfied. We are never satisfied. And that is why it is beneficial to the market people, the sellers. Yes or no? Yes. If someone is eating Dalmas silk in front of you, in 2-3 days even you want that. That even I want to have it.
We will see him.
Right? So that is what we are never satisfied. Our needs, our wants never end. So that is why there is no equality in the market. Right? Now we will learn about customer in the market. First of all, who are the customers? And who are the consumers? Okay. And who are the sellers? Okay. Now a customer. Meaning of customer. A customer is a person who sell or buy who pays the money and buys the product. Who pays the money and buy the things. Now in the product you have seen different signs. Such signs. Symbols. Right? These symbols indicates that this product are tested by the government. This product is what? Tested by the government. Now students, ISI mark. ISI mark is used for home appliances. Whatever home appliances you are buying, if in that ISI mark is not there, it means this is not tested by government. Or it is verification is not done. Next is hallmark. Hallmark is used for the gold and silver product. Okay, for which product? Wool mark is used for woolen product. The woolen product that we buy from the market. For that, this mark should be there. That is woolen mark. ISI mark, home appliances. Hallmark for gold and silver. And then woolen mark. What? Woolen mark? That is for woolen clothes. Now next is egg mark. Egg mark is used for agricultural product. Okay, agricultural product, you know what is agricultural product, right? For that you have to use egg mark. And FSI, this mark is used for food products, right? So this symbols indicates that these products are tested by the government. Okay, so for that, why the government is giving such facilities? Because we customer, as a customer, the people, the shopkeeper don't cheat us, right? Yes, they should not cheat us, right? Because of that, this mark is necessary. Okay. Now other than that, two more marks are given for the food product. One is green mark, one is red mark. Green mark for vegetarian product and red mark for this is for what? To aware the people that this product is this is vegetarian people can eat and this non-vegetarian people can eat, right? Both people are food habits are different. Our food habits are different, right? So some people can prefer vegetarian, some people are vegetarian, some are non-vegetarian, right? So nothing bad in that. But if you are vegetarian, you don't buy non-vegetarian things, right? So that is the market, the symbols given by the government for different products. Now rights and duties of customer. As a customer, what rights you people are having? For example, as a customer, I have a right that I get good quality of a product. Yes or no?
Yes.
Whatever, if I am spending my money, of course I want good quality product, right? So as a customer, you have a right.
Yes.
Now can you tell me any other rights? One by one, okay? Yes, Dhwani?
Inequality is not there in market.
No, rights I am asking. What is your right as a right? If you are buying some product, what rights you will see?
If the product is not bad, I will go. And if the product is not bad, I will.
You can change it,
Return.
right? You can return. Okay, fine. If I have the quality, if I told you that I want good quality product, right? Best quality product. In that same way, quantity also matters.
Yes.
Quantity. If you have seen the advertisement of Bourbon biscuit or Lay's product, this I have seen that if you will see it, it will look like it's full of wafers. But when you open it, it's like only this. Right? I'm just giving you example. Right? So that is what less quantity, but the product quality is good.
Good.
So you can buy it, right? Because we cannot. If quantity is less, it's okay, but quality of the product should be good, right? We cannot we cannot क्वालिटी पे हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते, राइट? सो क्वालिटी शुड बी गुड. नेक्स्ट, प्राइस. A seller should not cheat us on the price. There should be a particular price given by the government, that only we have to, that MRP only we have to buy. The people or the seller cannot cheat you on that. It's our right, our responsibility. Now what is our duty? Now some more rights are given in your textbook, that we will go through it, okay? And there is a Consumer Protection Act as well. Consumer Protection Act is for the product that if you don't like the product, right? Of course, if the wafer, if you went to buy a wafer and if that wafer is not good, okay, or it is outdated or whatever, you will go and change it, and the shopkeeper will easily give you, because it is a small product, if it is a small product. But what if you went to buy a television or a TV or AC, after coming to home, after fixing it, if it is not working, what you will do? Guarantee warranty is there, very good. So it is our duty to check the guarantee, to check the warranty, right? It is our duty, yes or no? As a consumer, it is our duty, and it is our rights too. But if you went to the shopkeeper and he told not to exchange, because of course shopkeeper will also have the loss of this much rupees. If he will deny to buy or to take it, exchange it back, okay, exchange it back, what you will do? You can go to the Consumer Protection Act. It is for consumers.
Customer care.
For the, yes, kind of, not exactly, but Consumer Protection Act is an act that a consumer has a right to get good product. If the product is not good, if the consumer is if the customer is right, then the seller has to exchange it. It's a kind of act, right? So Consumer Protection Act is there, okay? Now other than that, rights to safety. Yes, Dhwani, say.
In a market or in marketing strategy, all rights are reserved.
All rights are
Reserved.
Reserved for,
Like buying, selling.
right? Very good. Yes.
If expiry date is gone, we can again.
Beta, this topic is done. This topic is done. Now I am talking about what rights we have. Rights of safety. Safety means we need safe product. Safety, guarantee, warranty, all the marks, symbols are necessary. That shows the safety, right? Right to information. We should have the proper information about the price of the product, about the quality of the product, about the ingredients used in the product. Yes or no? They used to give the ingredients, right? That is used in the product. For example, if I am taking butter, they will mention what things they have used, right? So that is what right to information. We have right to information. Other than that, we have right to choose. We have right to choice. If we don't like Pepsodent, we can buy Colgate. If we don't like Coca-Cola, we can buy Thumbs Up. If we don't like Lux soap, we can use Santu. So we have right to choice. Yes or no? As a customer, we have many choices in front of us. Yes.
They have also written that if cap or seal is open, you can return it.
Yes, we can return if it is open.
Yes.
Right. Now next, right to representation. The consumer has right to make appropriate representation to the Consumer Protection Board. For example, if, as I gave you example of exchanging the things, right? If the seller is not exchanging, we should keep our point properly in front of the Protection Act, in front of the Consumer Protection Board. That is our rights, right? Then grievance redressal right. This right is for the, if any damage is caused to the product, if there is any damage in the product, of course we can exchange it.
Yes.
Right? We can exchange it. Right? Now, right to the consumer educate, to get consumer education. As a consumer, we have the right to get education related to the product. Right? So, this all rights we have as a consumer. Now, Jago Grahak Jago. Have you heard it?
Yes.
Right? What is this means? Jago Grahak Jago.
Do not do fraud.
Be aware of the products, right? Be aware, consumer, be aware, right? Why it is so? Why they are giving such slogan? So that no people can cheat us. As a consumer, we should not feel cheated, right? So that is what Jago Grahak Jago, right? This is for consumer, for we people, right? So that no one can cheat us. Now, other than that, what duties we have? We have to take bill from the people, from the if we went to buy something, bill is must.
Yes.
Yes. So that is our duty to collect the bill from the shopkeeper.
Yes.
Then guarantee warranty card.
Yes.
Right. What is other duties that you should have? You should follow as a consumer. Yes.
We should have a written work of a product.
Written work in the sense like bill, na?
No, like that guarantee.
Guarantee warranty. They used to give it print. They used to give it in the computerized. That is fine. Then yes.
We should check the product.
We should check the product. We should not blindly trust anyone. Right?
Whether the expiry date is
We have to
gone
check
or
the
not.
expiry date. We have to check the manufacturing date. Then price. We have to check the price. Very important. Right?
We have
Then
to check the quality.
we have to check the quality. So in short, we have different duties. Yes or no?
Yes.
As a consumer, we should have different duties.
Yes.
Yes. Now, one last topic is given. They have given the short journey from the production market. They have shown the beautiful journey that how our cotton shirt and how our cotton pants we used to make, right? So first, of course, for that, what is required? Cotton seeds are required.
Yes.
Cotton seeds are required.
Yes.
What you have to do for that cotton seed? You have to
Do it.
you have to
Grow the plant first.
Growing, spinning, moving.
Okay, I'll tell you. First you cotton seed. Then you have to plant the seed. See, diagram is given. First cotton seed. Then you have to plant it. Then germination goes on. Then sprout. Then seedling. Then plant. Then flower. And then plant with fruit, cotton and seeds. In this way, cotton plant grow. Now listen, when it grows, right? When cotton comes out, right? There should be no rain. If it's raining, of course the cotton will be wasted. So that's why they used to do in such a season, right? In June season or July season, they used to terminate the seeds, so that in October, November the plant grows and the cotton comes out, right? So this is the method. Now what happens? First, turn the page if you have textbook. If you don't have textbook, it's okay. First, they used to plug the cotton like this.
Yes.
Can you see? Of course, they have to plug it. So first, they used to plug the cotton. After that, storing of the cotton in one place. They used to store the cotton. After that, they used to sell the cotton. Right? After selling, casting of cotton goes on. That what is the quality of the cotton, that goes on. Then cleaning of the cotton. They used to clean the cotton. Then integrating. Integrating is a process from which the cotton becomes hard, little hard, right? After that, they used to do the packing of the cotton. Then spinning, they used to spin it, right? Then weaving, right? Weave, and then they used to make. After weaving, it become the material will become like a thread, and after that, they used to make a shirt or a pant from it. Okay, so this is what consumer in the market. I hope you understood the chapter. Till that, keep learning. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye, and take care of yourself.